Do you want to make your own animation videos but don't know how to go about it? Well, there is a simple method to create a stunning animation video from just typing text. In this video, I'll explore the exciting world of creating captivating animations from text. Today, I will walk you through a step-by-step guide on ways to transform your plain text into mesmerizing animations. So let's dive right in. Nowadays, you don't need to worry about creating a professional animation, as there are AI tools that will do the job for you absolutely free. In this video, we will talk about two simple tools you can use to create a stunning looking video animation, whether for advert, YouTube channel or any other need. And the best part is, it is absolutely free. In this video, I'll show you how to create a video like this.
Are you tired of your current fitness routine? Do you want to take your health and wellness to the next level? Look no further than Fit Life Gym. In this video, we will explore how Fit Life Gym can transform your fitness journey and help you achieve your health goals.
So to make this animation video, we are going to do two steps. The first step is generating the script with askAi. This is a fantastic tool I use to generate scripts for almost anything. The second part is the part where we insert the script into Stave.ai. Stave.ai is an AI platform that we use to create animations for free. Furthermore, I will show you how to edit the scripts and element, inserting sounds and changing voiceover, and lastly, I'll show you how to export the video. So without wasting any more of your time, let's dive right in. The first step is to visit the askAi website, and either you sign in or create a new account. I personally find it convenient to use my Google account for a quick and seamless sign-up process. Once you sign in, you'll be greeted with your user-friendly dashboard. Take a look at the left corner where you find the dashboard section, tools, select an account section. To begin, I'll use a search box to find a specific keyword, but before we dive into askAi, it's important to have a clear objective for your script, determine the purpose and tone, and the key points you want to convey in your animation video. Great, now we are in the YouTube script editor. Here you can enter your video topic, specify the tone, and select the language for askAi to generate a script that suits your needs. Remember, the minimum character limit is 40. Let's formulate a captivating question to grab our viewers' attention. For example, are you ready to transform your fitness journey? This sets a stage for an engaging introduction to our video. Keep in mind that while askAi provides a starting point, you have full creative control over the final script. Review and modify the generated content to match your style and tone and messaging requirements. Now let's head over to the Stave.ai website to bring our script to life with the captivating animations. Similar to askAi, we will need an account to access the features. I'll quickly create one using my Google account. Once you are on the Stave.ai dashboard, you'll find various options to choose from. For this video, I'll select the text to animation option, where you can either use scripts from their library or copy and paste your own. A pop-up window will appear allowing you to define the type of video you want to create, including the animation style, video ratio, category and title. Feel free to explore different options based on your specific video needs. Once you are ready, click on the Create Simple Script button to proceed. Now go back to the askAi interface and copy the generated script. You can then paste it into different scenes on your Stave.ai animation dashboard. Remember to choose the objective of your video at the bottom left corner. It helps to align your visuals and messaging effectively. In the template section, you'll find a variety of options to choose from. I'll select the gym template to get started. Voila! Our video has been successfully generated. It's always a good idea to preview the video to ensure it aligns with your vision.
Hello.
If needed, you can make further edits by selecting specific elements such as shapes or characters and customize them according to your preferences. For an added touch, you can change the voiceover and the sounds to enhance the overall experience. Stave.ai offers a range of accent, voices, and sounds to choose from. If you want to make changes to the script, simply select a text box within a specific scene and edit it to your liking. And don't forget to always preview your video to ensure it matches your style and messaging. Once you are satisfied with your edits, click on the publish button to render your video for download. And there you have it, your video is now ready to be downloaded and shared with your audience. I hope this tutorial was helpful in showing you how to create engaging scripts for your YouTube videos using askAi and Stave.ai. Remember to unleash your creativity and make the final content uniquely yours. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content. Congratulations, you learned how to create stunning animations from text with the power of askAi and Stave.ai. You can now transform any idea or message into visually captivating animations. So go ahead and unleash your creativity. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our future content. Thanks for watching.
Can transform your fitness journey and help you achieve your health goals.